Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I am going to show you how we can access EC2 instance without PEM file basically. Or another way I can say, if you want to access your EC2 instance by using username and password, then how we can do the SSH, right? So that part I am going to show you today. So let's go to the EC2 console first and let's see if I have any instance here running or not. So let's go here. Instance is running here. So what I will do here, let's create one EC2 instance here. Okay, so let's launch one EC2 instance here and let's give the name, suppose like that. I gave here name and let's give everything default and here and select the existing security group and launch instance. Okay guys, let's keep everything default here. Now my instance launch is done. Now my instance is running here, so let's connect here to this instance and we'll see some of the permission. Basically we need to modify to enable username password based authentication. In previous section I already showed you, like if you want to access or if you want to do SSH by PEM key, that I have shown you, but now without PEM key how we can do it. Now I have connected to my EC2 instance here successfully. Now we need to enable some of the settings to do that username and password based authentication. Okay, so what we need to do for that, so I have on note down already some of the step here. So first we have to go to the etc sssd config and we have to enable this permit root login equal to yes, then we have to do password authentication base equal to yes, and then we have to restart this service, and then finally we have to add our own user and we have to set the password. And once this is done, then we are good to log in by using this username and password. Okay guys, and from here, if you from your user, right, if you want to switch to root user, then we have to change the root user password also. So let's go to here first, one by one. Since I am in root user, so this file is basically belong to root user. If you see, right, sorry, if you see, this file is belong to root user. So by using EC2 user we can't modify basically. See, it is a belong to root user, so that's why I switch to root user. So now try it. Now I came here. Now here, so this keyword itself is not present. So let's do one thing, add this keyword here. What we have to do, come little bit down and let's add here. And another option is password based authentication. This one we have to make it yes. Okay guys, so this is done. So now save this file. Now save is done, right? So now what we have to do, we have to restart the SSHD. This SSD client server is there, so that we have to restart. So system ctl, first we have to check the status. What stmct, sorry, spelling mistake, system ctl. Now it is running. Okay, so let's restart this service. Restart is done. Now what we have to do, we have to add our own user. So how we can add user. So most of our user, if you see here under home directory, our EC2 user also home directory. So let's go to home directory first, and now here add user. Suppose I going to add cloud tech, something like that. Okay, and now I have to change the password. If you now see here, user is added. Now let's change the password. Now let's give the password. Now I gave the password. Now what I have to do? Let's change the root user password also. Okay. So that what we can do from cloud tech user, we can easily switch to root user also. Now this root user password also modification done successfully. Now what we'll do? Now let's try to log in by using this cloud tech. So let me show you that. So let's take this public key here and mobile extreme, and let's do SSH. I gave here and user, something like that. Let's try. Now it is asking for password, no PEM key. I am not giving any PEM key here. See, now I successfully logged in, right? Now let's is asking for sudo user password. Let's give that. But this cloud tech user is not under sudoers file. That's why we are not able to switch from here. Now by only SU we can switch here. But if you want to do sudoers SU, and by using this one, if you want to change to root user, then we have to add this particular user, cloud tech user, to this sudoers file. How we can do that? Now only by SU we can switch to super user. This is one way. Now I am in root user. So let me show you that part also, how we can do that. So let's do one thing. Let's come here. SU password, and here let's say go to etc su. Let's come here, and here if you go down a little bit, for root user we have already have added here. So here if you see that root user is already there. So similarly our user also we have to add, then it will be not ask for this, it will not give that error. So let's add. And all is done. Now come out here. Now come out here. Come out here. Now log in again. Let's see. Required. Now try to sudoers. Now by using sudoers also we can switch to super user. Either you can do SU super user also you can do. Sometimes we can by sudoers also we can do that. But if you are in this, like what I can say, if you are in this, your user is added to the sudoers file, then only you can able to do. So this is how we can do login to our EC2 instance without our PEM key. And I hope this session will helpful to you guys. And if you feel this video is valuable, then I will request you guys, please like this video and share surrounding with your friends. And to support me, please subscribe my channel. That will really inspire to me to create this kind of video. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.